Hi everyone, Adam Hannell here with Eide Technology Consulting. I'm here to explore the question, are you running your business off financial statements alone? If so, we'll explore the benefits of using operational analytics. In today's business climate, operational analytics are critical for the success of your business. There are three main advantages to leveraging operational analytics. First is the timeliness. Financial statements follow a monthly, quarterly, and annual type cadence, whereas operational analytics give us the ability to monitor critical business metrics in real time. Second is that communication with your non-financial leaders. Most organizations have a limited number of staff that have been trained to read financial statements properly. To an untrained eye, financial statements could possibly stir confusion, uncertainty, and even fear. Because of this, a large portion of your non-financial leaders are excluded from the important detail within these reports. Operational analytics breaks down that barrier by creating a highly customized report that is designed to tell a story and provide actionable insights that can be used immediately to improve performance. Remember, these reports are real time. There's no need for your team members to wait until the end of the month to view results. And last are the leading versus lagging indicators. Financial statements are like the rear view mirror on your vehicle. They're very important, but they have a limited view and they only tell us what happened. This is a lagging indicator. Think of operational reports like a smartwatch. They provide real-time, easy to understand metrics that allow us to make small changes that will have a larger impact later on when we look in the rear view mirror. These are leading indicators. Very quickly, I'd like to walk through exploring the data behind an income statement in an effort to begin an operational dashboard. I'll be using NetSuite ERP to generate my income statements and Tableau to create the visuals. A typical process of evaluating financial statements might include the running of this report multiple times. Each time I might have a different time period selected, maybe a different department, and if I have multiple subsidiaries, I might generate these reports for that too. Then these reports are often printed and examined manually. Sometimes we have some folks that are savvy enough to export them, bring them into Excel, maybe even create their own calculations that can sometimes prove to be troublesome. Operational analytics works quite differently by allowing us to dive into the detail behind the transactions in these reports. With that, let's dive in. Here I've created a saved search within NetSuite that allows me to view all my transactions. Once that's been prepared, I hit the Excel export feature and I load the file into Tableau. For the sake of time, I've already exported that file and loaded it into Tableau. Let's begin by examining our sales by each location. I'm going to bring location into my rows and the amount onto the canvas as well. And we want to see our sales by date, maybe month to month. I'll expand that month out. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere, but what is it that we want our team members' eyes to focus on when they look at this report? It's not too helpful as it is now. I'm going to take the amount field, drag it onto the color mark, and then change the marks to square. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. We can immediately see that our sales have increased in San Francisco from June to July drastically. The same in Melbourne and Sydney and Toronto. We might ask the question, what products are driving these increases? To answer that, we can easily duplicate this worksheet. I'm going to rename it Sales Detail. We no longer need the location field, but I'm going to bring in Memo. That'll tell us the name of the products that are being sold. Already I can tell that there's too many products. We're going to filter this. I'm going to remove any empty products, and we're only going to look at the top 15 sold by amount. That's a lot easier. Let's change this maybe to have it look a little bit easier for us too. I'm going to move the quantity onto the color and then adjust the colors to maybe give us something a little bit more easy to follow. Here we go. You can see that the wearable devices quantity increased substantially for the 400 series black in July. That's some good insights. For our team members to be able to consume this easier, we would create a dashboard. By filtering on each location, I can quickly see my top products at each location. We can then take this dashboard and publish it online, maybe put some KPIs to it that show daily sales or refunds by date. That allows our teams to dive a little deeper. They might start to ask questions like, why are the sales of these items picking up? What's our marketing strategy? How has the product margin changed? Are we giving steep discounts? Or what are we doing to maintain or improve our sales on a month-to-month basis? Each of those questions can be answered by creating its own metric and bringing it to this report canvas for our users to track on a day-to-day basis. The remarkable thing that I've seen with operational dashboards is that the whole team starts driving towards a common goal, and many ask beneficial questions that end up improving processes along the way. The discipline of using operational analytics allows for real-time adjustments and opportunities for non-financial leaders to have a greater impact on the business. This can mean the difference between a business surviving and a business thriving. And that's how you explore the possibilities of operational analytics using Tableau. As always, if you have any questions, our team is here to help. Click the link below to get in touch, and don't forget to hit the subscribe for more great videos. Thank you.